English class. Dear students, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. How are you? Okay, in our today's class, I will tell you about auxiliary verbs, change of voice, and imperative sentences. Along with this, I will also tell you about double object type sentences. In our previous lecture, I have told you change the voice related with tenses. We have done present indefinite tense, past indefinite, future indefinite tense, present continuous, past continuous, and present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect tense. There are no change the voice of future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So in today's class, I am going to tell you about auxiliary verbs change the voice tense sentences. What are the auxiliary verbs? Modals. In our today's class, we will solve the sentences related with can, could, may, might, must, will, would, like this. So our today's topic is change the voice. So our first question is you must obey your parents. So in this type of sentences, we will make use of we. Modal auxiliary verb plus be plus be3. So as I told you, and you have already done subject object changing and using of verbs third form past participle. Yes, the same thing is applied here with little bit change. For this we will make use of be. You must obey your parents. Here the object your parents, then auxiliary verb modal must be. Be verbs third form past participle obeyed. Obeyed by you. Is it clear to you? What is the rule of modals related change the voice? Modal plus be plus verbs third form. In active form, there is a presence of auxiliary verb with verbs first form, and in passive form we will make use of be with modals with auxiliary verbs along with verbs third form known as past participle. The second example, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, tell me the answer. Yes, it can be done by you. Students, please pay attention. Many of times you will change it. You think that like it is in direct and indirect. So in active and passive voice, there is no use of can. It will not change in could. It will remain same. There is only use of be. No use of can, no use of may, might, no use of past and present. Present will not change into past in change the voice. Present will change into past in narration, not in voice. So narration is another topic and voice is different topic, it is another topic. So there is no tense changing. There is subject and object changing. In voice, in active form, our emphasis is on subject, and in passive form our main stress, main focus is on object. So this is the main key, main thing of voice. In narration we will make use of tense changing. In narration we transfer present indefinite into past indefinite. So many times you will make use of can, you will make use of could. Many of times you make use of could in spite of can, then your answer will be wrong. So please pay attention. There is no use of tense changing. There is use of only be. You have to add only be with auxiliary verb. Okay, is it clear? Then third example, I could teach him a lesson. I could teach him a lesson. So here new thing is appear in front of you. Have you understood? Have you recognized? Yes, there is two objects. When I came here, I have told you that today I will teach you about auxiliary verbs, change the voice, imperative sentences voice, and also double type of object, double object type sentences. So for this sentence there is two way. The first one is as the first object is the direct, indirect object, and the second is direct object. So for passive voice, in first option we will make use of the first object. He could be taught a lesson by me. He could be taught a lesson by me. This is the first method. And the second method of this sentence is we can put it, we can write it as a subject, a lesson could be taught. Here we will add preposition to, taught to him by him. Is it clear, students? I could teach him a lesson. There is the presence of two objects. The first object is him, the second object is a lesson. The first object is known as indirect object and the second object is known as direct object. So we can change it into passive voice with two methods, through two methods. The first one, we will pick out the first object, the indirect object, as subject of the passive voice. He could be, rest of the sentence is same like auxiliary verb, and then put by, sorry, I write here him, I write here me. So I could teach him a lesson. He could be taught a lesson by me. And in second sentence, a lesson could be taught to him by me. Is it clear, students? By mistake? when I was solving this sentence, I wrote here him because I looked he. So now I have corrected it here me. Is it clear, students? In modals, we will make use of be with the past participle, and in this way you can solve two object type sentences also. Now it's time to turn on imperative sentence. Imperative sentences means agya सूचक sentences in which there is use of any command, any advice, any order. Like imperative sentences of change of voice. So what is the rule of imperative sentences? Post this letter. Post this letter. This sentence is also solved in two types. The first one is this letter should be posted. We will make use of should be, and the other method is let be. Let this letter be posted. I hope it is very clear to you that with the be, we will always make use of verbs third form past participle. And along with these two methods, there is also presence of third method. You can write it like it. You are ordered to. You are ordered to post this letter. Post this letter. Is it clear, students? Yes, this letter you can make use of should be. This letter should be posted, and let this letter be posted. You are ordered to post this letter. Second is obey your parents. Same like as let your parents be obeyed. Your parents should be obeyed, and you are advised to obey your parents. Is it clear to you, students? In imperative sentences, we can make use of should be if you like. If you like let and be, then you can use it also. Along with this, you can also make use of ordered. You are advised, you are suggested. So I hope you all have understood it very clearly. The topic change the voice. You can easily solve change the voice related with tenses, related with auxiliary verbs, and imperative sentences. I hope now you are able to solve the sentences of double objective type sentences. Am I right? Yes. Good response. So I will give you the exercise of these sentences. Change the voice. Do it concentrately. Practice it. And Never waste your time. All the best.